Give them all. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we got another video for you guys. Got a banger video today. So as you guys can see by the title or the thumbnail, you can see that we're gonna put on the ISR Y pipe, and yeah guys, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned guys. So right now I'm on my way to over to the Omi's house. We're gonna change a Y pipe, but I have a video to drop, if I haven't dropped it already, of me getting the exhaust done, the 3-inch exhaust. But right now I'm at the light, but I don't know if you guys could hear the exhaust, so I'm do like a little pull so you guys could hear it. So let me know what you guys think about the exhaust sound, if you guys like it or what. Got a SDI, got a Porsche right here. What's up?
First time,
Shit.
man. No, right now.
Alright, bro.
You already got it on.
Yeah, the single. I did it yesterday.
Damn, nigga.
Shit.
I want you to do the single, but you already got it on.
So the Omi just pulled up. Got my dog Q50 right here.
Yeah, this one too, man.
No, I like that one.
Sheesh. Shit clean, boy. Sheesh. You got the carbon too. So yeah, man, this shit clean. Make sure y'all go check out his channel. Got the big brakes. Yeah, guys. You got these two. I'm gonna get these later. But this shit is clean. So we got the blue Q, we got the silver over there. So we're gonna put on the Y pipe, the ISR Y pipe. But damn, this shit is clean. We got a Y pipe right here. Got the Omi. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys. So we just jacked up the car. So we got the car on jack stands. My boy over there setting the jack stand right. We got one right there. So we're about to get this show on the road.
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, so it's another day right now. So I'm here at the exhaust shop. I'm gonna put on the Y pipe. And yeah guys, and make sure you guys stay tuned and watch the video of the down pipe. Okay guys, so they just finished up buttoning it up. I got a ISR Y pipe right here. Got the ISR, and we got the down pipes on. So we got the down pipes on, and we got the ISR Y pipe. So yeah guys, okay guys, so the Y pipe is on right now. They just finished with it. Got the Y pipe on. Yep. So make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you the first startup with the down pipes and the Y pipe.
Come on, get in it.
Huh?